In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to send money from Cash App to a Bitcoin wallet, and I'll break down each step in detail so you can transfer your Bitcoin safely, securely, and without any confusion. First, open the Cash App on your mobile device and make sure you are on the home screen. From here, tap on the Bitcoin option to access your Bitcoin balance and settings. If you don't already have Bitcoin in your Cash App account, you'll need to buy some first. But if you have funds available, you're ready to begin the transfer process. Every Bitcoin wallet has a unique address, which is essentially a long string of letters and numbers that identifies your wallet on the blockchain. Open the wallet you want to send your Bitcoin to and copy the address carefully. This address is very important because it's where your Bitcoin will be sent, and any mistakes could result in lost funds. After copying the address, return to Cash App and go to the Bitcoin section. Scroll down slightly and tap on the send arrow located on the right side of the screen. Then select Send Bitcoin. At this point, Cash App will give you a toggle option to select whether you want to send your funds in Bitcoin value or in dollar value. Choose the option that makes the most sense for you and enter the amount you want to transfer. If you want to send your full balance, make sure to double-check the total so you don't accidentally leave any Bitcoin behind. Once you've entered the amount, paste the wallet address you copied earlier into the recipient field. It's crucial to make sure the address is correct, because Bitcoin transactions are irreversible once they are confirmed on the blockchain. After pasting the wallet address, tap Next to review the order details. Cash App will show you all the important information, including the recipient wallet, the amount being sent, and available fee options. You can choose a rush fee for faster confirmation, which may have a small cost, or select the standard fee, which is free but may take slightly longer to process. Take a moment to review everything carefully, because once you confirm, the transaction cannot be undone. Finally, confirm the transfer using the required security verification. This might be Face ID, Touch ID, or entering your Cash App PIN. Once confirmed, your Bitcoin transfer will be initiated, and you can monitor the progress. Depending on the fee option you selected and the network activity, the Bitcoin should arrive in your external wallet within a few minutes to a few hours. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the funds will appear in your destination wallet, and you can verify the transfer by checking the wallet balance and transaction history. By following these detailed steps, you can confidently send Bitcoin from Cash App to any external wallet. This method ensures that your cryptocurrency is transferred safely, securely, and without mistakes.